Today we are going to discuss the TOOVREN iPad Pro 2018 model sleeve. Inside the plastic, there is a cardboard envelope. Slide it out. There's a foam insert that protects the top. Right here is where you slide your Apple Pencil, and then your iPad will slide right in here. Alright, so this sleeve also has a tri-fold stand. That simply works by flipping this over like this. And there is a magnetic system right there, and your iPad will sit right here. So I grabbed my iPad Pro and also my Apple Pencil. I'll set that aside for right now. The sleeve, simply you just slide your iPad in, and it does fit perfectly. And then your Apple Pencil simply slides in right there. The sleeve does have a good build to it. It is easy to slide the iPad in and out of while leaving the pencil intact. And with the way the sleeve works, it does add a little bit of protection to the corners of your device. I wouldn't recommend, obviously, dropping your iPad inside this, but I do believe if you did accidentally drop it, it would be perfectly fine. Slide the iPad back out. Slide the Apple Pencil out. It is made of high quality leather PU. The leather texture is almost similar to genuine leather. Firsthand, I would not know that this is not genuine leather. Nobody else would either. It is a very nice, high quality product. The stitching seems to be very nice. It is very easy to slide your iPad Pro into the sleeve, and your iPad Pro is protected inside with a microfiber lining. It will not fall out because it has a little stopper right there. The iPad also does not fall out because your Apple Pencil actually holds it in. So that is the TOOVREN black leather sleeve. You guys can purchase one on Amazon down below. Thank you very much for watching my video today. I hope you guys will check me out online at loganstechreview.com. Also, please follow me on Twitter to be up to date on all my latest postings. My Twitter account is at Logan Tech Review. There is no S in that. You can also follow me on Instagram at Logan's Tech Review. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button. And also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the like button, the bell, so you'll get notified of my postings immediately. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.